Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, the health benefits of joy, and how it's intertwined with biblical wisdom. Did you know that joy can have profound effects on our physical well-being? Studies show that a joyful heart can contribute to lower stress levels and improved cardiovascular health. Proverbs 17 verse 22 reminds us, "A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." Beyond the physical, joy plays a crucial role in maintaining mental health. Philippians 4 verses 6 to 7 encourages us, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." The Bible emphasizes the importance of communal joy. Galatians 6 verse 2 teaches us to carry each other's burdens, and in this way, you will fulfill the law of Christ. Sharing joy within our communities not only strengthens our bonds but also contributes to our overall well-being. In difficult times, choosing joy can be a powerful act of faith. James 1 verses 2 to 3 encourages us, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance." As we conclude, let's remember that joy is not just a fleeting emotion, it's a state of being that can positively impact our health and the well-being of those around us. So, let's strive for joy, guided by the timeless wisdom found in the Scriptures. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, may your days be filled with the joy that transcends circumstances.